Students, we are doing chapter number 1 and today we are going to take a new topic, that is business risk. These are the 4 features of business risk and we are going to do first the meaning of business risk. Now what do you mean by business risk? Risk refers to certain uncertain or unexpected events which may result in inadequate profits or even losses. कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स हो जाते हैं बिजनेस में जिसकी वजह से या तो हम जितना सोचे उतना प्रॉफिट नहीं होता है या हम कभी नुकसान में भी चले जाए. These all kind of events are known as business risk. It refers to uncertain or unexpected events which may even result in inadequate profits and even losses also. Coming to the nature, nature can also be understood as features or characteristics. Okay, so we are doing the characteristics of business risk. The very first one is it arises due to the uncertainty. Okay, risk arises every time in the business due to uncertainty. What do you mean by uncertainty? A thing which may happen or may not. For example, natural calamities. Earthquake may happen or may not. Okay, famines may be there or may not be there. Okay, so business risk always arises due to that of the uncertainty. Coming to the next one. Risk is an integral part of business. What do you mean by integral? That is important or inseparable part of business. That means whenever we dream of business, automatically risk creeps in because we introduce capital. If we introduce capital, automatically risk creeps in. That is why risk is an integral part of business. मैं 10,000 का भी बिजनेस लगाऊंगी, जैसे ही 10,000 की कैपिटल लगाऊंगी उस 10,000 जितनी भी रिस्क बिजनेस में ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगी. दैट इज व्हाई रिस्क इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस. However, in certain circumstances, we can reduce the risk to some extent, say by taking insurance policies, okay, by just being cautious. But risk cannot be 100% eliminated from the business. हम रिस्क को प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लेके कुछ हद तक रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम रिस्क को टोटली बिजनेस से एलिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. Coming to the third one, nature and scale of business. Business risk also depends upon nature and scale of business. First, we are going to understand for nature. If we are dealing in fashion industries, your risk is high. But if you are dealing in that of the regular items, risk will be low. फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज में आउटडेशन जल्दी होता है, स्टॉक बहुत पुराना जल्दी हो जाता है. एट दैट टाइम रिस्क विल बी हाई इन केस ऑफ फैशनेबल इंडस्ट्रीज, बट इन केस ऑफ रेगुलर गुड्स रिस्क विल बी क्वाइट लो. कमिंग टू द स्केल ऑफ बिजनेस, larger the business, higher will be the risk. Smaller the business, lesser will be the risk. Automatically, when I am going to start the business of 1 crore, risk will also be of a 1 crore. When I am going to start the business only with rupees 5,000, risk will also be less and it will be only up to the 5,000 rupees. That is why risk depends upon the nature and scale of business. Coming to the last one, profit is the reward of risk. Whenever a business is ready to take the risk, at that time only he will be able to earn the profit. That is why profit can be said as reward or return for bearing risk. एक इंसान और एक बिजनेसमैन जब रिस्क लेता है, उस रिस्क के बदले में जो उसे फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं उसे प्रॉफिट कहा जाता है. अगर इंसान रिस्क लेना ही नहीं चाहता तो प्रॉफिट कभी उसे होगा ही नहीं. दैट इज व्हाई व्हेन अ बिजनेसमैन इज रेडी टू टेक द रिस्क, एट दैट टाइम profit is the reward which businessman is enjoying while taking the risk. So today we have completed with meaning of business risk. Refers to uncertain or unexpected events which may result in inadequate profits or even losses also. It arises due to uncertainties, say natural calamities like which may happen or which may not. It is an integral part of business, though it can be reduced with certain precautionary measures, but it cannot be 100% eliminated from the business. Third one, it depends upon the nature and scale. Okay, larger the size of business, higher will be the risk. Smaller the size of business, lesser will be the risk. In the fashionable goods, business risk will be high, and in the regular items, business risk will be low. So it also depends upon the nature. And last one is, the more you take risk, the more you will going to enjoy the profits. That is why profit is reward for risk. In the next video, we are going to discuss the further topics related to business risk. Thank you.